Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are ready to start your programming journey, you need a solid code editor, and Visual Studio Code is the gold standard. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps to get it installed on your Windows machine so you can start coding in minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open up your favorite web browser, whether it's Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and head over to the official Visual Studio Code website. Right on the homepage, you'll see a big blue button that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that to grab the installer. Once the download finishes, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click that brand new Visual Studio Code icon to start the setup process. The first thing you'll see is the license agreement. Read through it if you like, select I accept the agreement, and then hit Next. Now, the installer will ask you where you want to save the application. Most people just leave this at the default location, so you can just click Next again. You'll eventually see a screen with a few checkboxes. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you check the box that says Add to Path. And I also recommend checking the boxes to add Open with Code to your right-click menu. It makes opening projects way faster later on. After that, hit the Install button. It should only take less than a minute for the setup to finish. Once it's done, you'll see a final window with a checkbox that says Launch Visual Studio Code. Keep that checked and hit Finish. The editor will pop open instantly, and you're officially ready to go. You can create a brand new file, pick your favorite programming language, and start building. And that's it. You now have one of the most powerful coding tools in the world sitting on your desktop. If this setup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what language you are going to learn first, and I will see you in the next one.